Hello guys, welcome to this channel and thanks for viewing this video. Today I would like to show you how you can design a nice product promotion section. It's a section that you can include inside your eShop website or your e-commerce website. So without delay, I'm quickly going to show you my project directory, how it looks. I have the CSS file inside. I have stored my Bootstrap that CSS file, and here I have stored the fonts, and I also have an image folder where I have stored all the images that I will use in this project. And so I have two files. I have my index.html file where I'm going to write my HTML code, and then my style.css file. And also don't forget to import the Google font. So I'm using Google font. This is the import code that I have also already inserted inside my code. So now let's begin the code. So I will start by writing a div and a class. So this is I'm going to give it a class of promo section. So this is a section that you can use to integrate it inside your e-commerce website. And after writing this div, I need to put a container and a row. So these are Bootstrap codes. So I will say container like this, and I will say div class row. So, and I would want to, as you can see on the screen here, I have like a title and a subtitle here. So that's what I want to do. So what I'm going to do, I am going to write another div and give it another class, and this class I will determine the dimensions and make it responsive. So I will say column MD12. So MD here stands for medium screen. So I'm determining the dimensions according to the size of the screen where this page is going to appear. So what I'm saying here, so I want this row to appear exactly the way it is here, even though I am on a on a medium screen, it will appear on a single line. So, and after this, I need to write another div, and also I need to specify the class, and I will say the name of the class will be promo section text, because I will later on write, as you can see here, this title and subtitle. And I want my text to align at the center of the page. So I will say text center. Okay, so this is to make sure that my text will appear at the center of my page. And later on, what do I need to do is I will write another div, and here I will start writing my text. So I need to put the class here will be subtitle. And so the subtitle is actually this here, this that you can see, welcome to our eShop. That's what I'm going to write here. And I have determine that this is going to be the subtitle. So welcome to our eShop. And I will copy it and paste it here. And instead of title, the class will be, of subtitle, the class will now be title. And instead of writing welcome to our eShop, I'm going to write promo demos. So this is just an example because I'm demonstrating how you can design this product promo web section. So for this row, that's what we have here. So the text, the subtitle, and the title here. So I now want to design the second part of this page, which is where I have my product appearing here. So I need to create another div, and that class will also be a row. But in that row, I need to specify another class. I will call it product container. So product container, so this is just a name I am given to make sure that it's actually reflecting what is going to be contained inside this row. Okay, as you can see here, I have all my products, the shoes that you can see here on the picture, they represent the product that I want to showcase. So that's why I named it product container. And inside, I need to write another div. And this div, the class will be a column. Okay, so I'm going to determine a column, and I say 4. Because I'm saying 4 because I want to have 3 products here. So each will be equal to 4. And so 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to close the div here, and inside I'm going to start defining all the information concerning my product that I want to showcase. And I will say div, and the class will be product grid. Okay. And after this, I need to put another div, and the class will be for the image, and I will call this product image. And inside, I need to put a link to my image, and I will say source will be equal to, so I need to specify which image I'm going to use. So as I showed you at the beginning, in my project directory here, I have a folder called images, and inside I have all the images, and I've named them. So I just need to specify which image I would like to use. So I'm going to use this image here. Okay, I called it image 14. So when I come back here, I will just say image 14.jpg, and close the tag like this. And after, I need to specify some other tags, and here I will say div and I'll say class. The class will be product. What should it be? Okay, so I need to specify the tag for these information, this discount, and then the text, the description down here. So I will call it product discount. So you can call it a name that you think will better describe the kind of information that will be contained inside these tags. And after the product discount, I am also going to add another class, and I will say product discount text. Okay. And then, so now I need to just add another div, and the class will be text1. So because I have to put two information, so I have this text here, the discount, and then I have the description down below. So that's what I'm going to say. So for the first text on top, I will say that its class is going to be text1, and then inside the tag, I'm going to write what is written on the screen here. I think is minus 50% off. So I will say minus 50% off. Yeah. And what I'm going to do, just copy it and then paste. And instead of text1, I will say text2. And I will delete this information and then write a description, or maybe the name of the product. So I would say white sneakers, and then save it. So now it's time for me to design this, this sort of a button down below here, and then the text buy now. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to come out of the product image tag and add another div. And I will say that its class is going to be product link. So I'm going to use a link, and inside I will say ahref. Okay, and I'm just going to put it this way, and inside I will write buy now. Okay. So this is pretty much it. So now I have the product. What I need to do is just copy and paste this 2 times. And save this. So now if I come to my project and then run my design, so this is how it looks. So I just need to change the pictures, and these are the informations that I have put on the screen here. So now I need to put change the image here. I put 14. Let me go back to my images folder. What kind of image again? Okay, image 5. I can put image 5 here. So I will say 5. what image again can I choose from? My folder here, which is, okay, 9. Yes, because yeah, that's the same image. So I will just say 9 here and then save it. If I come and refresh, so now I have my images. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So now what we need to do is we have to start with styling our CSS. So inside the CSS, I'm going to start with this code. Okay, and I'm going to say margin is 0 and padding. So this is a generic styling, and I'll say box sizing is border box, and then the color of the text in general is going to be which color can I put here? Let me say yeah. So it's going to be dark, and I can also add. I think that's okay. So the next thing I will style will be the body, and I say the background will be white. And so here, according to the font that I have imported, so I will say that the font family in general will be Mount Serrat. Yeah, that's it. And I say comma sans serif. Oh, I think there's. All right. So that's it. So if I come back to here, the next tag I need to style will be the promo section tag. So I'll say promo section, and I will give it. So this is, so I need to put, give it a padding top. This typo, padding top of, let's say 90. Okay. It's G, my bad. Okay. After the promo section, what else? I need to style the subtitle. And the font size, I will say that it will be 16 pixels. Text transform, I want it to be uppercase, and letter spacing 0.2 em. And then the color will be, which color can I give? Okay, let me try this, 92786. Yeah, so that's 8. So the next thing to style will be the title. And here I'll give it a bigger font size. I will say 65 pixels. And I'll also make the text in uppercase, and the font weight, I would say 400. As for the color of this, I will say 2F. Yeah, like this. And then and save this. If I refresh, okay, so now this is how it's looking. All right. So let me see, what else do I need to style? Will be the product container. All right. So I'll say product. Did I put it? Yeah, products container. For here, I will just put the margin top. And I will say that the margin top will be equal to 75 pixels. After the product container, I think I have to style the product grid. Product grid, the width will be 100%. So that will be the same width for the product image class 2. So I will say width is 100%. And so I will copy product image, paste it, and add the img tag. here. So that's what I want to style. I will say its maximum width will also be 100%. If I come back to my page, all right. So now this is how my web page is looking. Next, I need to, which tag do I style next? So I need to style the product discount. So I want to make sure that this my product discount information, I want them to appear here on top of the product picture. So I guess I will need to give it the position of absolute. So I will say product discount position will be absolute. And then if I save, yeah, I need to push it on top, and I'll say top will be equal to 30%. Okay, so now it's now appearing on top of my image. So 30%, let me say 40. Okay, that's it. Next, so now it's time to style the text of my product discount. So how did I call it? So I called it product discount text. Okay. So I need to come to my CSS file and say product discount text. So I want to give it a background color. What should I give it? Yeah, the background. GB. We'll say 35. So I want the background color to be transparent. So I'll say 0.86. If I refresh. All right. Oh, I need to give the padding. Padding top. Will be 40 pixels. The padding. So the padding top, I would just say padding, and the padding left will be 10 pixels. The padding bottom will be 40 pixels, so 40 pixels. And the padding right will be 20 pixels. Okay, so now that's it. The next thing will be to style the text, my text, because they are not shown because they are, if I see here, so you cannot see the text because the color is black. So I need to give my text a white color. So I will say color, no, I will say text, what did I call it? Text one. So I say text one, color will be white, and the font size will be 30 pixels. Save it. Okay. So I need to style the text too, I guess. As for this one, I would say the color will be white too. The font size will be 14 pixels. The font weight will be 600. Text transform will be uppercase. Save it. Okay. So now this is how it's showing on my screen. Next, I need to give more styling to this text too. So I will, okay, so I think I'll leave it this way for now. Now the next thing that I need to style will be the product link. Product link class. I will say the product link so its background color, I want it to be like red. And then the width 100%, the height 65 pixels, text align center. Okay. Now that's how it's showing there. And the next thing to style will be the link itself. So I will say product link A or display block. The color of my link will be white. And the font size will be 18. Let me say the line height 60 pixels. Okay, so now that's how my text is looking. I need to add something. Let's say product link hover. So the background. So that means that when I will hover on this, my product link, I want my background color to change. So that'll be 1E, 1E, 1E. And I also would want my, so I will copy this. I would also want my link to change. So I would say its color will be gray. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see on the screen, my discount information section here, I wanted to move a little bit on at the top. So what I need to do, where did I style it? So it's here that I styled it, and I will say that the top, oh, I want its top to be 30%. All right, so now it has moved at the top. And if you also look here, I think there's a little bit of space from the left here, so I need to specify that. How did I do that? So I will say left will be 15 pixels. So left position 15 pixels. What should I do here? Okay, so I need to add div. I'll say display block. And the position will be relative. Okay, now it's picking it. I'll also need to add text align. I'll say that my text will align on the right side. So that's it. So what else should I do? I need to change, as you can see here, my text down below here is in italic. So I need to change the style of text too. What can I do here? So I'll say product discount text that text to, and I will say text transform none, and the font weight will be 400. Font style will be italic. If I save and then refresh, yeah, so that's how it's appearing. What else can I add? Maybe I should add some text shadows. Yeah, so I will say text shadow. RGBA. But here I will say 0. So 0, 1. Then if I refresh, yeah. Let me reduce this. Okay. So guys, that was it concerning this product promotion section design. It's very simple. As you can see, I used Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS to design this. And so that was it for this video. And I hope it was informative. And if you have any question, any suggestion, don't hesitate to comment, to contact, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. And let's meet in the next video. Bye.